All right. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the free online coaching for POLYCET 2024, sponsored by Jatadhara Education Technology, Hyderabad. I now invite Chandrika ma'am to conduct the session.
Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone, students. Welcome to free online coaching for POLYCET. So today we are going to discuss about carbon and its compounds. So before we go for a test, let us just have a brief idea about the chapter. Yes. Am I audible, students?
Yes, ma'am. Perfectly audible, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes. Carbon is a non-metal. It belongs to 14th group or 4A group in the modern periodic table. So the elements of this group have 4 electrons in the valency shell. Coming to the electronic configuration, it is we will be writing the electronic configuration. Here you can see 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Right? Atomic number of carbon is 6. Then electronegativity of carbon is only 2.5 and its nucleus has only 6 protons. Carbon has to satisfy its tetravalency by sharing electrons with other atoms. It has to form 4 covalent bonds either with its own atoms or atoms of other elements. Next, coming to the possibility of bonds formation by a carbon atom. You can see here it can form a 4 single covalent bonds. First one is a 4 single covalent bond with hydrogen and next with chlorine with atoms of same element like hydrogen, chlorine. 4 single covalent bonds with atoms of different elements. See. Okay, these are the examples of different bondings of carbon with different elements and also with same elements. So carbon atoms may form 1 double bond and 2 single bonds. Here you can see between carbon and carbon there is a double bond and between carbon and hydrogen there is a single bond. Carbon atom may form 1 single bond and a triple bond. Coming to the next. Yes, please underline in the textbook so that it can be a quick revision for you. Keep a textbook with you. And coming to the electronic configuration of carbon in the ground state. In the ground state, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 normally. So how in the p orbital, in the p shell, how the electrons are distributed, you can see here. So it is 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. And electronic configuration of carbon in an excited state, it is 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. In methane, that is CH4 molecule, all 4 carbon hydrogen atoms are identical and bond angle is 109.28 degrees. Next, coming to the hybridization concept of carbon. So the concept, it was introduced by Linus Pauling. The redistribution of orbitals of almost equal energy in individual atoms to give equal number of new orbitals with identical properties like energy and shape is called hybridization. The newly formed orbitals are called as hybrid orbitals. So in the excited state, that is excited carbon atom, it's 1s orbital and 3 p orbitals intermix and reshuffle into 4 identical orbitals known as sp3 orbitals. Thus, carbon atom undergoes sp3 hybridization. Coming to sp2 hybridization, the example for sp2 hybridization is ethane or ethylene, right? That is C2H4 molecule. In the formation of CH2 double bond CH2, each carbon atom in its excited state undergoes sp2 hybridization by intermixing 1 s orbital and 2 p orbitals and reshuffling to form 3 sp2 orbitals. So the 3 sp2 orbitals having 1 electron each get separated around the nucleus of carbon atoms at an angle of 120 degrees. One sp2 orbital of one carbon atom overlaps the sp2 orbital of the other carbon atom to form sp2 sigma bond. So the unhybridized pz orbitals on the 2 carbon atoms overlap laterally to form a pi bond. That means there exists a sigma bond and a pi bond between 2 carbon atoms in ethane molecule. And coming to sp hybridization, The new hybrid orbitals formed are called sp hybrid orbitals because they are made by an s orbital and a p orbital reorganizing themselves. So in acetylene molecule, there exists a triple bond between two carbon atoms, and the fourth valency of each carbon atom is satisfied by hydrogen atom. So in excited state, each carbon atom undergoes sp hybridization by mixing its one s orbital and one p orbital and reshuffling to form two identical orbitals known as sp orbitals. So each carbon atom has two unhybridized p orbitals, that is 2py and 2pz. So ethane molecule, and there exist 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds in the molecule. In ethane molecule, we will be having 3 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. Let us move to the next one. Next, coming to allotropes of carbon. So allotrope is nothing but it is a property of an element to exist in two or more physical forms having more or less similar chemical properties but different physical properties is called allotropy. The different forms of the element are called allotropes. So allotropes form due to the difference in the arrangement of atoms in the molecule. So in allotropes of carbon are classified into two forms. One is amorphous form and another is crystalline form. Coming to the amorphous form, different forms of amorphous allotropes of carbon are coal, coke, wood, charcoal, animal charcoal, lamp black, gas carbon, petrol coke, sugar charcoal. Coming to the crystalline forms, carbon in solid phase can exist in three crystalline allotropic forms: diamond, graphite, and Buckminster fullerenes. Diamond and graphite form covalent network structures, whereas Buckminster fullerenes has a molecular solid structure with discrete C60 molecules. So in that, firstly coming to diamond. In diamond, each carbon atom undergoes in its excited state sp3 hybridization. Hence, each carbon atom has a tetrahedral environment. CC bonds are very strong. Any attempt to distort the diamond structure requires large amount of energy. Diamond structure ఏమైనా బ్రేక్ చేయాలన్నా డిస్టార్ట్ చేయాలన్నా ఆ స్ట్రక్చర్ ని చాలా అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ కావాలి. Hence, diamond is one of the hardest material. Yes, please check at your end, Sai Charan. Shiva Charan, please check at your end. Next, coming to graphite. Graphite forms a two-dimensional layer structure with CC bonds within the layers. There are relatively weak interactions between the layers. In the layer structure, the carbon atoms are in a trigonal planar environment. It undergoes sp2 hybridization. Diamond is having sp3 and graphite is having sp2 hybridization. The interactions known as London dispersion forces between the layers, which are separated by a distance of 3.35 angstroms, are weakened by the presence of water molecules so that it is easy to cleave graphite. It is also a good conductor of electricity because of the delocalized pi electronic system. Next, coming to Buckminster fullerenes, which is nothing but C60. The arrangement of these molecules leads to the form of a hollow sphere, ellipsoid, or tube depending upon their orientations. Fullerenes are formed when vaporized carbon condenses in an atmosphere of an inert gas. So there is one interesting about Buckminster fullerenes, which is in the short called as fullerenes, was discovered in 1985 by a team of scientists Robert F. Curl, Harold W. Croto, and Richard E. Smalley from Rice University and the University of Sussex. Three of whom were awarded the 1996 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. They are named so for the resemblance of their structure of the geodesic structures devised by the scientist and architect Richard Buckminster. From his name, we got that Bucky Fuller, right? Buckminster fullerenes. Buckyballs. Next, coming to buckyballs. Spherical fullerences are also called buckyballs. We have said that there are different shapes: hollow sphere, ellipsoid, or tube. So in that, spherical fullerences are also called buckyballs. Buckminster fullerenes, that is C60, contains nearly spherical C60 molecules with the shape of a saucer ball. Fullerenes C60 molecule contains 12 pentagonal and 20 hexagonal faces on its saucer ball shape, and each carbon atom has sp2 hybridized orbitals. And under study for potential medicinal use, such as specific antibiotics to target resistant bacteria and even target certain cancer cells, such as melanoma. Next, coming to nanotubes. Nanotubes are another allotropic form of carbon discovered in 1991 by Sumio Lee Jima. Nanotubes consist of hexagonal arrays, hexagonal arrays of covalently bonded carbon atoms similar to the sheets in graphite. Unlike the flat graphite sheets in nanotubes, the sheets are rolled into cylinders. Due to this reason, they are called nanotubes. Next, in integrated circuits, nanotubes are used instead of copper to connect the components together. Next, coming to the versatile nature of carbon. J.J. Berzelius named the compounds that derived from living organisms as organic compounds and those from non-living materials as inorganic compounds. So urea in the laboratory by heating an inorganic salt ammonium cyanate. This is the organic compound produced by F. Buchler. So it's a German scientist who produced urea. Next, coming to graphene. So graphene is extracted from graphite. Like graphite, graphene is entirely composed of carbon atoms. For a thickness of 1 mm, graphite contains some 3 million layers of graphene. The carbons are perfectly distributed in a hexagonal honeycomb formation only in 0.3 nanometers thickness. You can see here, it is in the similar shape of a honeycomb. So graphene conducts electricity better than copper. It is 200 times stronger than steel, but 6 times lighter. It is almost perfectly transparent to light. Next, coming to the catenation. So if any element forms bonds between its own atoms to give big molecules, that property as catenation, that is called as catenation property. Sulfur, phosphorus, and some other non-metals have this property, but to a very small extent, less extent. A double bond and two single covalent bonds. These are the different types of bonds of carbon atoms. Next, coming to hydrocarbons. Yes, 1 second, student. Yes. Next, coming to hydrocarbons. The compounds containing only carbon and hydrogen in their molecules are called hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are classified into two categories known as open chain hydrocarbons and closed chain hydrocarbons. In open chain hydrocarbons, these are also called as aliphatic hydrocarbons or acyclic hydrocarbons. So you can see the different chains of open and closed hydrocarbons. Just 1 second. Yes. So all hydrocarbons, both aliphatic and cyclic hydrocarbons, are again classified as alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Hydrocarbons containing only single bonds between carbon atoms are called alkanes. Hydrocarbons containing at least one double bond between carbon atoms are called alkenes. Single bond unte alkanes, double bond unte alkenes. Hydrocarbons containing at least one triple bond between carbon atoms are called alkynes. Right? Hydrocarbons contains hydrogen and carbon molecule. If it is single bond, it is alkanes. Double bond between carbon atoms, alkenes. Triple bond between carbon atoms, it is alkynes. Next, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons containing only single bonds are known as saturated hydrocarbons. All alkenes are, alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons that contain at least one double bond or contain at least one triple bond between the two carbon atoms are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. So alkenes and alkynes are the examples of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Next, coming to the functional groups in carbon compounds. The characteristic properties of an organic compound depend mainly on an atom or group of atoms in its molecule known as functional group. So these are responsible for the behavior of the organic compounds. Compounds containing the same functional group undergo similar types of reactions. So here you can see carbon compounds with C, H and X. Here X represents halogens. That is Cl, Br and I. These are known as halogen derivatives of hydrocarbons or halohydrocarbons. Next, with CHO, which are nothing but halohydrogen hydrocarbons. So compounds containing CHO are different types. And next coming alcohols, if a hydrogen atom of H2O molecule is replaced by R, we get alcohols. That is, there will be a bonding with OH. So the hydrocarbons that contain OH group are called alcohols. And next coming to aldehydes. And the general formula for alcohols is, that is alkyl group. It is CnH2n plus 1. Next coming to aldehydes, the hydrocarbons with functional group CHO are called aldehydes. So coming to the general formula, it is RCHO, where R is alkyl group or hydrogen and CHO is functional group. Next coming to ketones, the hydrocarbons with, you can see here, functional group with this type of functional group are called ketones. So it is having a double bond with oxygen and a single bond with carbon. So this group is known as a ketone group. And general formula, you can see here, this is the general formula where R and R dash, R1 are alkyl groups, which may be same or different. Next coming to carboxylic acids, the general molecular formula of carboxylic acid is RCOOH. So here R is nothing but alkyl group or hydrogen atom. Next coming to ethers. Ethers are carbon compounds related to H2O in such a way that both hydrogen atoms are replaced by two alkyl groups, which may be same or different. Next coming to amines. If hydrogen atom is replaced from NH3 by an alkyl group are called amines. NH2 group is called amine group. Next coming to the isomerism. So compounds which have the same molecular formula but different properties are called isomers. The phenomena of possessing same molecular formula but different properties by the compounds is known as isomerism. The compounds that exhibit isomerism are called isomers. Iso means same, meros means part. So it is isomerism is due to the difference in the structures. Therefore, it is called the structural isomerism. Next coming to homologous series. The series of carbon compounds in which two successive compounds differ by CH2 unit is called homologous series. So you can see here formulas. General formulas are for alkanes CnH2n plus 2, alkynes CnH2n minus 2, alcohols it will be consisting of OH and alkyl group. So CnH2n plus 1. Successive compounds in the series possess a difference of CH2 unit. They possess similar chemical properties due to the same functional group. Similar chemical properties due to the same functional group. So alcohols, aldehydes and carboxylic acids have same functional group, have functional groups. In this way, you can see here COH, CHO and COOH. And they show a regular gradation in their physical properties. The individual members of homologous series are called homologs. Alkynes have a general molecular formula which is CnH2n minus 2, where N is nothing but 2, 3, 4, so on. Next, nomenclature of organic compounds. So, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry had been formed, and one of its responsibility is to name the organic and inorganic compounds in a systematic order. The basic idea behind the systematic nomenclature is that there should be only one name for the given structure throughout the world, and also there should be only one structure for the given name. So that is the work of IUPAC, and it consists of 3 parts: word, root, prefix and suffix. The next coming to chemical properties of carbon compounds, that is combustion, oxidation reactions, addition reactions, substitution reactions. Combustion reactions is carbon and its compounds burn in presence of oxygen or air to give CO2, heat and light. So the process of burning of carbon or carbon compound in excess of oxygen to give heat and light is called combustion reaction. Next, coming to oxidation reactions. Though combustion is generally oxidation reaction, all oxidation reactions are not combustion reactions. So oxidation reactions may be carried out using oxidizing agents. These are substances that oxidize other substances. They themselves undergo reduction. Next, coming to addition reactions, unsaturated organic compounds that contain multiple bonds like alkenes and alkynes undergo addition reactions to become saturated. So during the reactions, addition of the reagent takes place at the double bonded or triple bonded carbon atoms, and there is a substance called catalyst. It will not involve in the chemical reaction, but it increases or decreases the rate of the reaction. So you can see the definition here. A catalyst is a substance which increases the rate of a given reaction without itself finally undergoing any chemical change. Substitution reactions, a reaction in which an atom or a group of atoms in a given compound is replaced by other atom or group of atoms, is called a substitution reactions. So alkanes, the saturated hydrocarbons, are chemically least reactive. Therefore, they are also called paraffins. However, they undergo some chemical changes under suitable conditions, which are substitution reactions. Next, coming to esterification, the reaction between carboxylic acid and an alcohol in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 to form a sweet ordered substance, ester with a functional group, is called esterification. And next, soaps, saponification, and missiles. So, soap is a sodium or potassium salt of a higher fatty acid like palmitic acid. You can see here formula. Fats are esters of higher fatty acids and trihydroxy alcohol known as glycerol. Saponification reaction, alkaline hydrolysis of triesters of higher fatty acids producing soaps is called saponification. Next, coming to micelle, a spherical aggregate of soap molecules in water is called micelle. So are you ready for this test now? What is fullerene, Ritesh? So it is a form of a carbon having a large spheroidal molecule. It consisting of a hollow cage of 60 or more atoms. That is nothing but a fullerene. It is a large spherical molecule. Okay. Yes. For each question, I will give you 15 seconds. So please be quick. The number of valency electrons in carbon atom is? Yes. Yes, very good. All of you are giving me the right answer. Very good. Very good. Harshateja, please check. Harshateja, Gayatri, Yogita, it is not 2. Please check. Sai Vardhan, please check. Rest others are very good, doing well. In the first point, I have said 5 seconds more. Yes, it is option 4. It consists of 4 valency electrons. Carbon has 4 valency electrons. Next, number of covalent bonds formed by carbon in its compounds is? Yes, this also we have seen. Ten seconds more. Please be quick. 5 seconds. Yes, we shall check the answer. Yes, it is option 2. Absolutely 4 covalent bonds formed by carbon in its compounds. So T. Shalini, Ruchita, Gayatri, Sai Vardhan, Kumari, Vishwant, Pranati, Bhavana. Very good. Very good. Let us move to the next question. Carbon forms single bond, double bond, triple bond, all the above. Yes, 15 seconds to answer. Good. Sai Vardhan, please check. Yes, very good, very good. Most of you are giving me the right answers. Sai Vardhan, Gayatri, please check. Akhilesh, please check your answer. Shashank. Yes, we shall go with the key. Yes, it is option 4. Option 4 is absolutely right. Carbon can form single bond, double bond, and triple bond. Yes, next one. The hybridization in methane is. Hybridization in methane. Methane formula is CH4. Hybridization in methane. Very good, very good. So many of you are giving me the right answer. Yes, we shall go with the key. Yes, absolutely. It is option 1, sp3 hybridization. Let us move to the next one. Hybridization and bond angle in ethane. Ethene, sorry. Hybridization and bond angle in ethene is. Ethene. Yes, so many are giving me. Few students are giving me the right answer. 10 seconds more. 10 seconds more. 5 seconds more. Yes, now let us go with the key. Yes, it is option 2, sp2 120 degrees. Let us move to the next one. Number of sigma and pi bonds in ethylene is. Number of sigma and pi bonds in ethylene. Yes, please. I'm not getting the answers. Yes. I'm getting different answers. We shall check the key. Oh, sorry. Yes, it is option 3. It is having 5 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following molecule undergoes sp hybridization? sp hybridization. 15 seconds to answer. Yes, so many are giving me the option 3. I'm getting different answers. Please, everyone, try. Yes, let us see the key. Yes, it is option 3, absolutely right. C2H2 undergoes sp hybridization. Let us move to the next one. Number of CC sigma bonds in acetylene is. CC sigma bonds in acetylene. Yes, please, everyone, try. Yes, so many are giving me option 1. 5 seconds to answer. 5 seconds. Yes, it is option 1. Let us move to the next question. In which of the following molecule sp2 sigma bond is present? In which of the following molecule sp2 sigma bond is present? Yes, I'm getting different answers. That's okay if you are wrong, but please learn. Topic itself is a vast subject further. Yes. Okay, it is option 2, that is C2H4, which is ethylene. It has sp2 sigma bond. Let us move to the next question. Number of sp-s sigma bond is present. In which element, in which compound it is present? Yes. Okay, let us see. Yes, it is option 2, that is C2H4. C2H4. Let us move to the next one. The concept of hybridization was introduced by. Concept of hybridization. We have seen this point. I'm sure that you will be giving me the right answer. Yes, very good. Concept of hybridization was introduced by. Yes, let us see the answer. Yes, it is option 3, Pauling. Very good, students. Let us move to the next question. Type of bonds in methane is. Type of bonds in methane. Yes. Yes, let us see. Oh, sorry. Yes, it is option 1, sp3 and S. Very few have answered option 1. Let us move to the next question. In which of the following state carbon undergoes hybridization? In which of the following state carbon undergoes hybridization? Okay. 5 seconds to answer. Please, everyone try. Yes, it is option 2 in the first excited state. Yes, very good. Few of you have answered first excited state. Very good. It is option 2. Let us move to the next question. The phenomena of existence of same element in different physical form is called. We have seen this question. We have revised this point. The phenomena of existence of same element in different physical form. Very good. It is not isomerism. Yes, it is allotropy. Okay, allotropy. Isomerism has same molecular formula but different properties by the compounds. Right. Allotropy has existence of same element in different physical form. That is amorphous and crystalline. Let us move to the next one. Which of the following is not an amorphous form of carbon? Yes, I think you can answer this. Yogita, it is not coke. Coke is amorphous. D. Shalini, you're right. Gayatri, right. Swapna, right. Tar Kumari, right. Very good. Yes, so many are giving me the right answer. But few students have given me the wrong answer. Gas carbon is also amorphous. Yes, we shall see. Yes, it is C60. Option 3 is absolutely right answer. It is a crystalline. Let us move to the next one. Which of the following is not crystalline allotrope of carbon? You can answer it easily. Which of the following is not crystalline allotrope of carbon? Not crystalline. Akhilesh Reddy, read the question properly. Which of the following is not crystalline allotrope of carbon? Diamond is crystalline allotrope. Yes, yes, very good. Bhavana, please check. Harshateja, please check. Salma, please check your option. It is not 2. This diamond, graphite, C60 are crystalline allotropes of carbon. C60 is nothing but Buckminster fullerenes. Yes, option 4 is absolutely right answer. Gas carbon is not as crystalline allotrope. Let us move to the next one. Diamond is the allotrope of. Yes. Yes, it is. Option 2. Yes, few of you have given me the right answer. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following is covalent network solid? Covalent network solid. Yes, I'm getting different answers. Yes, we shall see. Yes, it is option 3, that is diamond. Let us move to the next one. Hybridization of carbon in diamond is. Hybridization of carbon in diamond is. I'm seeing your answers, Shivarama Krishna. That's okay. Your answers are pouring. Maybe I have missed. Okay, we shall see. Yes, it is absolutely option 3, SP3. Yes, very good. So many of you have given me the right answer. Geeta Devi, Yogita, Shivaramakrishna. Yes, Geeta Devi. Yes, I got your answer. Preetika, Harshateja. Very good. Let us move to the next question. Diamond is hard. This is due to. Diamond is hard. This is due to strong bonds, network structure, high refractive index, all the above. Diamond is hard due to. Yes, diamond is hard due to. I'm going to reveal the answer. Yes, it is option 1, strong bonds. Very good. Yogita, Preetika. Only few students have given me the right option. Geeta Devi. Very good. Yes, R. Kumari. Yes, it is option 1. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following has layered structure? Which of the following has layered structure? Please make it fast. Okay, let us see. Yes, it is graphite. Absolutely. Let us move to the next one. Forces present between layers in graphite are. Yes, Raghu, you have asked me that how can we know that we have passed TSRJC set? There is no pass mark. It's like a competitive exam. It's like a running race. Who is first, they will win. It's like just like a merit. Yes. Yes, let us see the answer. Yes, it is option 2, bond forces. The distance between two adjacent layers in graphite is. This point also we have revised. Be careful with the units. Yes, it is option 2, that is 3.35 Armstrongs. Very good. Gayatri, Shivaramakrishna, Bhavana, Shashank. Yes. Only few. Yogita, R. Kumari. Yes, let us move to the next question. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity due to presence of. Yes, very good. Very good, students. Yes, it is delocalized electrons. Due to the presence of delocalized electrons. Let us move to the next one. Which of the following is used as lead in the pencils? అందరు పెన్సిల్ వాడతారు కదా. Yes, very good. It is graphite. Let us move to the next one. Which of the following has a football-like structure? Yes, students, I will clarify your doubts after the session about TSRJC. So please wait. Yes, you will be getting the attendance form within few minutes. Yes, very good. It is a Buckminster Fullerene. It is like a football-like structure. Let us move to the next one. C60 also called as. C60 is also called as. Yes, very good. Pritika, Saivardhan, please check. Salma. Yes, it is Buckminster Fullerene. Let us move to the next one. Which of the following is used in melanoma? Yes. Which of the following is used in melanoma? Very good, very good. 5 seconds to answer. Yes. Now we shall see the key. Fullerensis. It is option 4. Not nanotubes, it is option 4. Pranati, D. Shalini, yes, Gayatri, Saivardhan. Very good. Yes, let us move to the next one. C60 contains how many rings? Yes, we shall see the key. Yes, it is absolutely 32 rings. Pranati, R. Kumari, Preetika, Shivaramakrishna, Gayatri, Bhavana. Yes, it is option 3. Let us move to the next one. Nanotubes were discovered by. Nanotubes were discovered by. Yes, please be quick, students. Yes, it is option 1. Sorry, option 2. It is option 2. Very good. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following is used on molecular wires? Which of the following is used on molecular wires? Everyone is giving me option 3. Let us check. Yes, it is option 3. Option 3 is absolutely right answer. Let us move to the next question. Graphene contains copper, carbon, silicon, sulfur. Very good. Preetika, please check. Preetika, please check. Graphene contains. It is carbon. It is not copper. It is carbon. Yes. Let us move to the next question. Who prepared first organic compound in the laboratory? Who prepared first organic compound in the laboratory? Yes. I got one answer. R. Kumari. Yes. Shivaramakrishna. D. Shalini. Pranati. Very good. Yes, it is option 3. Which is nothing but urea, the organic compound. Let us move to the next one. First prepared first organic compound in the laboratory. There's already this question. Which of the following scientists disproved vital force theory? Which of the following scientists disproved vital force theory? Yes, please be quick. Next, you will have maths class. Yes, it is option 3. Let us move to the next one. The ability of an element to form chains and rings with same atoms is called. The ability of an element to form chains and rings with same atoms is called. Five seconds to answer. Yes, let us see the key. Yes, it is absolutely option 3. That is catenation. Next question. The element having highest catenation is. The element having highest catenation is. Yes, it is carbon. Let us move to the next one. Carbon forms large number of compounds due to. Carbon forms large number of compounds due to catenation, sublimation, evaporation, all the above. Yes, it is due to catenation. Let us move to the next one. Which of the following unsaturated by hydrocarbon containing double bond? Unsaturated hydrocarbon. Think and answer. Alkane is example for saturated carbons. So only unsaturated కాబట్టి మిగిలిన దాంట్లో చూడాలి. Alkene and alkyne. Yes, it is alkene. Double bond అన్నారు కాబట్టి it is alkene. Let us move to the next one. Which of the following is closed chain hydrocarbon? Closed chain hydrocarbon. Yes, it is cyclopentane. Cyclopentane is a closed chain hydrocarbon. Let us move to the next one. The versatile nature of a carbon is due to. Yes, it is all of the above. Hydrocarbons contain 10 seconds to answer this question. Please be quick. Yes, we will send attendance form. Please wait. Yes, it is option 2, carbon and hydrogen. Name itself indicates. Alkyl group is represented by. Alkyl group. Yes, it is CnH2n plus 1. Yes, students, attendance form has been shared. You can fill it. Take a minute and fill it. CnH2n plus 1. Which of the following is ester? Please be quick. Which of the following is ester? Yes, it is option 3. Yes, Shivaramakrishna. Good, it is option 3. The compounds having same molecular formula but different properties are called. Yes, please answer. Yes, Gayatri, very good. Same molecular formula but different properties. It is not allotropes, Yogita. Yes, it is isomers. Yes, with this physical science is completed. Now you will have a short announcement. I would like to invite Arun sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Students, you've got something to share. Focus on your screen and listen to me carefully. IITs can the demand ఎందుకు ఉంటుంది, and let's talk about a bit about IITs. IITs to facilities ఎలా ఉంటాయి and what makes IITs different. All right. So you might have heard about Google. Definitely, everyone knows about Google. So CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai. You know what's the remuneration? It's 1,800 crores. per annum. $226 million last year. So CEO and founders will have very high remuneration because they lead the companies. వాళ్ళు డిసిషన్స్ తీసుకుంటారు, కంపెనీని లీడ్ చేస్తారు. Student CEO of Google you all know. CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai. You may not know, but his remuneration is that's in a way it's 1,800 crores per annum. He has completed his graduation from IIT Kharagpur. IIT nunchi he has graduated. He is a BTech from IIT. He has done his engineering from IIT Kharagpur. His salary is 1,800 crore per year. So that's staggering amount. Yes. And it is so because they come from such a background, such a college background. ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు అలా train అవుతారు. They are in position to lead the company. Salil Parekh, founder of Infosys, 71 crore salary in the year 2022. CEO Salil Parekh is CEO of Infosys. I'm sorry, CEO of Infosys. Now let us have a look at some of the IIT alumni who have made a difference in their career and are a source of inspiration for others. Narayana Murthy, co-founder of Infosys. Nandan Nilekani, co-founder of Infosys. Salil Parekh, CEO and MD of Infosys. S. Gopalakrishnan, co-founder of Infosys. Bhavish Agarwal, Ola you might have heard. Infosys you may not have heard, but Ola you might have heard. Ankit Bhati, co-founder of Ola. Sachin Bansal, co-founder of Flipkart. Vinny Bansal, co-founder of Flipkart. Parag Agarwal, CEO of Twitter. Twitter kuda vine untaru meeru. Ashnir Grover, co-founder of Bharat Pay. Co-founder of Bharat Pay. Bhavik Koladia. Bharat Desai, co-founder of Sintel. There are many more students. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google. Deepinder Goyal, Zomato vine untaru meeru. Pankaj Chadha, co-founder of Zomato. Rohit Bansal, co-founder of Snapdeal. And Raghuram Rajan, former RBI governor. They're all from IIT students. They're all leading such top companies, and they've founded their own companies, and they're from IITs. And here are many more. Anu Meena, founder of Agrowave. Richa Singh, co-founder of Your Dost. Parul Gupta, co-founder of Springboard. Vinita Singh, co-founder of Sugar Cosmetics. There are thousands of graduates who are leading top companies, not only in India, but all across the world, students. IITs nunchi graduate chesi, they are leading companies, not just in India, but all across the world. So let us just look into what is so special about IITs. What is that leads graduates to become so successful? See, there are many successful people from various other good colleges also, but here we're going to talk about IITs. All right, to be in very specifically IITs, which help students to reach that utmost level. Look at the packages, students. Highest packages from IIT graduates from IIT Bombay. Crores per annum, 3.75 crores per annum. IIT Kharagpur, 2.68 crores per annum. Per year, per annum is per year. IIT Kanpur, 1.9 crores per annum. IIT Delhi, 1.5 crores per annum. On IIT Madras, 1.4. IIT Roorkee, 1 crore per annum. IIT BHU, 90 lakhs per annum. IIT Patna, 82.5 lakhs per annum, so on. There are 23 IITs in India. Top ranking is IIT Madras. And at number 2 comes IIT Delhi. 3 comes IIT Bombay. They are top engineering colleges in India. So IITs are Indian Institutes of Technologies, which are top institutes, top engineering colleges in India. They are a group of premier institutions in India that are renowned for their academic excellence and research contributions. Now, they are also known for their rigorous academic curriculum, and high standards. Faculties at IITs are often highly qualified and experienced, contributing to a strong academic environment. The institutes emphasize a research-oriented approach to learning. All right. So, but how do you get into IITs? It's highly competitive students. మీరు ఎలా ఎంట్రన్స్ రాస్తారు టీఎస్ఆర్జేసీకి అలానే ఒక ఎంట్రన్స్ ఉంటుంది జేఈ అని జాయింట్ ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ దట్స్ వెరీ కాంపిటేటివ్ విత్ రిగరస్ సెలక్షన్ ప్రాసెస్ 2-stage selection process ఉంటుంది one is mains and one is advanced. Now IITs have gained international recognition for their academic and research contributions. The global reputation of IITs enhances the value of an IIT degree. They've got state-of-the-art infrastructure with well-equipped laboratories, libraries, and modern classrooms. The campuses are designed to facilitate a conducive learning environment. And the culture, innovation, and entrepreneurship culture. Many successful startups in technological innovations have originated from IIT campuses. IITs have vibrant campus life with numerous extracurricular activities, clubs, and events. The institutes organize technical and cultural fests that attract participants from all across the country. IITs have a strong and influential alumni network. Many IIT graduates have achieved success in various fields, including business, academia, and public service. We have seen many in the beginning. Narayanamurthy, Nandan Nilekani, Raghuram Rajan, Sundar Pichai, and so on, you have seen already. Now, one thing what's important to note is IITs are highly regarded. There are other engineering colleges as well, which offer quality education and produce successful graduates. The choice of a college depends on the individual preferences, career goals, and other factors. Different engineering colleges may excel in specific areas. Students should consider their personal requirements when making a decision about their education. మీరు కాలేజ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు చాలా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయి స్టూడెంట్స్. మీ కెరియర్ గోల్, మీ ఇండివిజువల్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, మీ గోల్ ఎలా ఉంది, వేరే ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటాయి. But one thing important I would like to tell you students is, such a competitive world, such a competitive exam, you'll have to work from day one. Day one college, day one started నుంచి అప్పటి నుంచి వర్క్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. You cannot do the last minute preparation for such exams, for such highly competitive exams where you have cutthroat competition. You cannot work last minute and expect results. ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే స్టూడెంట్స్ టీఎస్ఆర్జేసీ కూడా లాస్ట్ 2-3 days ముందు చదువుతున్నారు. అలా చేశారు స్టూడెంట్స్. వీ హావ్ సీన్ ద అనాలిసిస్. టీఎస్ఆర్జేసీ అయినా ఎంజేపీ అయినా 2-3 days ముందు చదివారు. సో దట్ విల్ నాట్ వర్క్ అవుట్ ఫర్ సచ్ కాంపిటేటివ్ field students. So it's very important that you work from day one. You have seriousness, that set of the mindset, the goal set in your mind that you have to achieve no matter what. Only that mindset will take you to the goal, students. Last 2-3 days, last 2-3 months, 2026 లో కదా నేను రాసేది, అప్పుడు చదువుకుంటాను కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి, ఇప్పుడు నేను రిలాక్స్ గా ఉంటాను, కానీ అప్పుడు 25 లో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను, లేకపోతే లాస్ట్ 6 months లో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను, will not work out. You'll have to work for 2 years rigorously. Only then you can make it to IIT students. All right. That is all I wanted to share with you all. All right. I request Gayatri ma'am to take over.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, students. So, sir enlightened us about the IIT classes and IIT courses and about all the CEOs who were the alumni of IIT, isn't it? All right. So that was a very good bundle of information that sir gave. All right, students. So today we are going to see in mathematics tangents and secants to a circle. All right, a very interesting session indeed. Right. So the first question is, the radius is given as 2.3 centimeter, and then what would be the diameter? All right. So it's very simple fact that the diameter is always the twice of the radius. isn't it? So being the first question, which is done by us, let me quickly explain. Diameter is twice of radius. All right, so twice of 2.3. So what is twice of 2.3? 4.6. All right, so this should be 4.6. You should never ever forget to write the units, centimeter. All right, yes. So with this understanding, we are moving on to the next sum. Right. See the next sum. The length of the tangent drawn from an exterior point is 8 centimeter away from the center of a circle of radius 6 centimeter. So, what is that you need to find out? You need to find out the length of a tangent. All right. So, quickly find out the answer. So, this would be a good revision for you all. By then, let me explain. So, this is the circle. Okay. The center of the circle. He says the length of the tangent drawn from the exterior point. So, exterior point means like this. Okay. Exterior point. So, this should, which is drawn from the exterior point. All right. So, this is 8 centimeter. Right. And he says the radius is 6 centimeter. So let's assume this to be A, this to be B, this to be C. Right. So using Pythagoras theorem, you can find out the value of this length of the tangent. Yes. So what is AC square? AB square plus BC square. All right. So what is AB square? 8 square plus 6 square. So 64 plus 36, which is 100. So AC square is 100 means what is AC? Root of 100. It is plus or minus 10, but we will take it as positive. All right. That is how we got the answer as 10 centimeter. All right. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Yes. No wonder everybody, including Gayatri, Akhilesh, Sai Vardhan. Yes. Shivaramakrishna. Right. Shivaramakrishna, you're right. I just explained it using the diagram. Right. Fine. Good. So many more are coming. I'm not able to read all the names. Let's move on to the next question. In the figure, O is the center of the circle. If angle A plus angle BOC is equal to 120 degrees, then what is angle BOC? Let's see how many are able to give me the answer. Yes, quickly find out by yourself and give me the answer, students. Let's see who's giving me the right answer. So here the diagram is also being given. So I don't think you need much time. Let's see. Right? So you can just substitute angle A. You need to find out, isn't it? So from in the figure, O is the center. If angle A plus angle BOC is 120 degree, then what is angle BOC? Yes, your time starts now. Quickly give me your answers. All right. Let's see. It is 80 degrees. Let me see how many are giving me the right answer. Yes, Gayatri, you're right. Shivaramakrishna, you're right. Akhilesh Reddy, you're right. Sai Vardhan, you're right. All right. Many more are giving me the right answers. Perfect. Excellent. With this, we are moving on to the next question. If a trapezium is cyclic, then what is the correct among the four options? The first option is its parallel sides are equal. Its non-parallel sides are equal. Second option. Option 3, its diagonals are not equal. None of the above. So this is the theorem-based question. So I'm sure you will be able to give me the answer about the trapezium, if it is cyclic one. So no calculations is required. So I'm sure you can give your answers right away. Let me check the chat box. Gayatri, Shivaramakrishna, Akhilesh Reddy, Sai Vardhan, Deekshita, Bhavana, you're right. All right, many more are giving me the answer. Let's look at the correct answer. Its non-parallel sides are equal because the trapezium is cyclic. All right, let's move on to the next very simple question. In the figure, angle AOB is dash. By seeing it itself, you can quickly say, isn't it? No calculation is required because it is perpendicular. So perpendicular means what? Give me your answer. Let me check the answer. Let me check the answer. Yes. Number two. It's pouring. Good. It is option 2, 90 degrees. Perfect. See the next question. Area of a circle in terms of diameter D is dash. Yes, in terms of diameter. Yes. Area of a circle in terms of diameter. Very simple, in fact, yes. Let me work it out and explain for those who are still thinking. See, what is area of a circle? Pi r square. All right, so now he says it is diameter. So what is r? Radius is d by 2, diameter by 2, isn't it? So pi into d by 2, the whole square. All right, so which means pi into d square by 4. Right? Yes, perfect. See the next question. Yeah, let me see how many have given me the right answer. It is option 3. Yes, Kumari, Gayatri, Sai Vardhan, Akhilesh, Vishwant, Chandu, Shivarama Krishna, many more, and all have given me only option 3 as a right answer. Perfect. See the next question. What is the area of a semicircle? Quickly give me the answer. Area of a semicircle. All right, let's see the answer. What is semicircle? Could be this, half of the circle, right? So this is diameter. This is radius. Isn't it? So what should be the area? You have a formula, in fact. So this is supposed to be the formula. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Yes, Akhilesh, you're right. Akhilesh, you're right. Bhavna, you're right. Yes. Okay, fine. So many are giving me the explanation as well. Yes, it is pi r square by 2. Perfect. With this, we are moving on to the next question. If two circles of radii 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter touch internally, the distance between their centers is dash. All right, so let me explain it by giving you the figure also. All right, just a second. Yeah, so now this is supposed to be the concentric circle. What is concentric circle? A circle inside a circle, right? So what he says, so they have chords in the center, okay? So yeah, so they have a common center. Both the circles have a common center. So this is AB. All right. And here we say that one radii is 3 centimeter. All right. And the other one is, the total is 5 centimeter. Yes. So what should be the other one? It should be 2.5. All right. Yes. Now with this, you must be able to give the answer. Right. So here we have 3 plus OB is equal to 5. So what is OB? It is 5 minus 3. So when this 3 comes to the other side, it becomes 5 minus 3, which is 2 centimeter. Let's check the answer. Yes, it should be 2. Let me see how many are giving me option 1. Yes, I don't have to read the names at all. Almost all are giving me option 1 as a correct answer. Perfect. See the next question. The semi-perimeter of triangle ABC. Okay, so triangle ABC is 28 centimeter. Then what is AF plus BD plus CE? All right. So here we can say, one second, let me use a pen. All right. So here we can say that it is an equilateral triangle. We'll just join all the points. All right. So this is supposed to be the, that is EF, DEF is supposed to be the equilateral triangle. So where EF is equal to ED equal to FD. Yes. And F is the midpoint of AC. Similarly, E is the midpoint of BC. All right. So, right. So how do you arrive at this is, we have AB plus BC plus AC by 2 is 28. All right. So now what is AB? We can write AB as twice of AF. Twice of AD. Okay. Right. And we can write BC as twice of CE. And we can write AC as twice of BD by 2. So we are taking 2 outside, AD plus CE plus, this is supposed to be AF. Okay. So AF plus CE plus BD. Okay. By 2, 2 gets cancelled. So this would be the same answer. So that is why option 2 is the correct answer. It should be. Let's see. Yes, it is option 2. Let's check how many have given me option 2. Yes, without explanation, students are able to arrive at the correct answer. Perfect. See the next question. The length of the tangent drawn to a circle with radius r from a point P, which is d units from the center, is dash. Right? So what is it you need to find out? The length of the tangent. Yes, I'm sure many would be giving me the right answer, but let me quickly draw and give you the explanation, right? So this is a center. All right. So this we will take as the radius, that is OA. All right. So now we have D, right? And here as P, right? So now R square. Now this is, we are supposed to find out AP. Okay. So what is AP square? It is OA square plus. Okay. So now what is, let me explain it in this way. We are supposed to find out AP square, which is, that is R square plus AP square is equal to D square. And now, which implies AP square is root of, AP square is D square minus R square. which implies AP will be root of D square minus R square. So that is why your answer option 1, root of D square minus R square would be the length of the tangent, that is AP. All right, let me see how many are giving me. Yes. Many are giving me option 1. Perfect. Good. Let's move on to the next question. A is equal to half of BH. Then what is B? All right, let me. Yes, this is simple, isn't it? So you all must be able to do it. So, right? So A is equal to BH by 2. You are asked to find out B. So you just have to cross multiply to get the answer. Right? Yes. So 2A is BH. So what is B? 2A by H. Let's see the correct answer. Yes, it is. Right. How many of you have given me the right answer? Option 4. Yes. Almost many, and the names are running. I'm not able to read all the names. Good students. Excellent. See the next question. Perimeter of rectangle is dash units. So this I don't have to tell you at all because this is only formula based. Yes. Right. So quickly give me the answer for the perimeter. The answer is, what is actually perimeter? It's nothing but adding all sides. That's it. Right. So let me check. Yes, many. Akhilesh, check your answer. Vishwant, Bhavna, you're right. All right. Pavani, you're right. Gayatri, you're right. Okay, Sai Vardhan, check your answer. See, you people are making mistakes in the formula. It is twice of length plus breadth. All right. See the next question. The diameter of a circle is 10 centimeter. It has a chord of length 8 centimeter. Then the distance of the chord from the center is dash centimeter. Yes. So this can also be explained very easily. So you just have to draw the circle. By then quickly give me the answer. Let me check. Let me finish the diagram for you. This is a circle, right? So this is the diameter. The diameter is 10. So which means the radius should be 5 and 5, isn't it? So it says that it has a chord of length. So what is chord? The chord is a line drawn inside the circle. So he says that the chord has a length of 8 centimeter. Then what is the distance of the chord to the center? Now you need to find out this. Isn't it easy for you to find out using the Pythagoras theorem? Yes. So now give me the answer. Yes. Let me check how many are giving me the right answer as 3. Right. So here Pythagoras theorem need not be applied. You just have to find out the difference. Okay. That is 8 minus 5. That itself will give you the distance of the chord from the center. All right. Let's see how many are giving me option 4. Yes. Many. Again, all have given me option 4. 3 as the answer. All right. See the next question. Good students. The radius of a circle is equal to the sum of the circumference of 2 circles of diameters 36 centimeter and 20 centimeter is dash. Yes, quickly give me the answer. By then, let me explain it very quick because we are running out of time. So let's assume the radius to be 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. All right. So we are taking 2 pi to be common, which is r1 plus r2. So what is radius? Diameter by 2. So 36 by 2 plus 20 by 2. All right. So 2 pi into 36 by 2 is 2 ones, 2 eights plus 20. That is 2 pi into 28. So what is 28 into 2? 8 twos are 16, 56 pi centimeter. I think so. The answer should be yes. Perfect. It is option 4. Let me check how many are giving me. Sai Vardhan, Dikshita. Very good students. Akhilesh, Shivarama Krishna, Gayatri, Vishwant. Everybody are giving me the right answers. Let's move on. To the next question. All right. See the next question. If the radii of two concentric circles are 5 centimeter and 13 centimeter, then the length of the chord of one circle, which is tangent to the other circle, is dash. So this is again going to be the concentric circles. So what is concentric circles? What I told you earlier, a circle inside another circle which has the same center point. Right. So let's quickly give you the figures so that you all will be able to understand. So both the circles have same center point. Okay. And he says the radii of two concentric circles are 5 centimeter. Okay. And 13 centimeter. So now what is that? You need to find out the length of the chord. So you have a chord should touch the circle, isn't it? You have a chord here, right? So you just need to find out this, where this is 5 centimeter. This is 13 centimeter. So now you need to find out this, right? Yes. Let me see how many are giving me. You need to find, okay, let me give you A, B, C. So you need to find out AB. What is AB? So when you find out, this would be 12. This would be 12. So 12 plus 12 should be 24 centimeter. Let's check the answer. Yes, it is 24 centimeter. Let me see how many are giving me the right answer. Sai Vardhan, Shivaramakrishnan, Dikshita. Very good students. Good, good. Very nice. So almost all are giving me the right answers. Yes, good. Right. So let's move on to the next question. With this kind of understanding, definitely you'll be able to do the rest of the sums also, which are little more of formula oriented. All right. The circumference of a circle is 100 centimeter. The side of a square inscribed in the circle is dash centimeter. Yes, so very, very fast. Let's do it so that the sum will be able to complete. So you have a circle. Okay, my circle is bad, sorry. We have a square which is inside the circle. All right, so let's name it as ABCD. All right, so here they say that the circumference of a circle. So circumference of a circle is 100 centimeter. What is circumference of a circle? It is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is 100. So what should be r? 100 by 2 pi. So 2 and 100 will go as 50 by pi. All right, so now what is it you need to find out? This diagonals. Okay, this is the center. So we can say that the diagonal square is equal to 2 into side square. Therefore, diagonal is equal to root 2 into side. What is side? 2a. So now let us put the formula. Yes, diagonal is nothing but 50 by pi, which is root 2a. So you will get a as 50 by pi into root 2 centimeter. So your option should be of 2. So let's see how many are able to give me the right answer is option 2. Yes, very good. Akhilesh, Deekshita, almost all. Excellent. Very good students. Right. So let's move on to the, yes, Shivarama Krishnan. Many more, many more. Right. Let's move on to the next question. Somebody is giving me, yes, Saivardhan. All right. Good, good, good. See the next question. The area of a square inscribed in a circle of radius 8 centimeter is dash. Yes. Right. Right. So let's see who's going to give me the right answer. This is supposed to be a very simple one. Quickly do it and give me the answer. It is nothing but the area of a square inscribed in a circle. So it should be the square. Okay. So I've given you the clue. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Okay. So let me explain it again. So it should be for one circle. Okay. It should be the square of this radius plus radius. So 64 plus 64. So 128 centimeter. Let's see. Yes, it is. Option 4 is the correct answer. All right, let's see how many are giving me option 4. Yes, Akhilesh Reddy, Gayatri, Sai Vardhan, many more, Tharuni. Almost all are giving me the right answer. Let me see. Shivarama Krishnan. Yes, you're right. Shivarama Krishnan, you're right. Yes, right, perfect. Let's move on to the next question with this kind of understanding. See the next question. The area of a circle that can be inscribed in a square of side 6 centimeter is dash centimeter square. Yes, I'm sure you will be able to do this. Please do it and give me the answer. Yes, let me give you the figure. You have a circle here. The area of a circle that can be inscribed. So inside the square, you have a circle. So 1 second. See, you have a square. Inside the square, you have a circle. Okay. So here he says of side 6 centimeter. So that means this is 6 centimeter. All right. So what it means, this is the center. So this should be 3 centimeter. So this should be 3. This should be 3. Right. So what is area of a square? Pi r square. So pi into 3 into 3, which is 9 pi. So this should be your answer. Let's see. Yes, it is. Option 1 is the correct answer. Let's see how many are giving me the right answers. Yes, you're right. Akhilesh, Sai Vardhan, Gayatri. Let me read the other names. All right. All right. All right. Yes. So almost all are giving me the same and the correct answer as option 1. Good students, right? Let's move on to the next question. The perimeter of a quadrant of a circle of radius 7 by 2 centimeter is dash centimeter. Yes, quickly work out and give me the answer. Yes. Let me see how many are doing. Okay. Many says option 1. Bhavna, Sai Vardhan, Akhilesh Reddy. Okay, fine. So with this, we will end, but let me quickly get the answers from others. Yes, Gayatri, you need to check. Yes, it is option 3, 12.5 centimeter. All right, students. So excellent. So today, almost all gave me the correct answers. Right? So very impressed. So I'm sure you all are revising and practicing and getting much more benefited by our sessions. So please, attendance form is given. We have put the attendance form in the chat box. Do fill the attendance form. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology, and tell about our programs to your friends, to your teachers, to your neighbors, and to all your relatives, so that let them also, watch this, subscribe to us, and let them also get benefited. And we have ample number of courses that we've already explained to you all students. So you have any doubt about anything, please do WhatsApp to our WhatsApp number 96422152227. All right, thank you so much, and let me give it to Chandrika ma'am. Chandrika ma'am. Yes, Arun sir. I think Arun sir will take up.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. So
Thank
students,
you.
thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So students, we're going to soon launch a bridge course for IITs and NEET, or a bridge course between bridge course అంటే 10th ఇంకా intermediate difference ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ difference ని fill up చేయడానికి bridge course ఉంటుంది. So we're going to soon launch the course. So for any queries, you please WhatsApp to the WhatsApp number 96422152226. All right, that's all, students.